Alright, so this video is going to be on the muscles of the leg. Okay, so let's start up here in the hip region. You can see the ilium of the coxal bone right here. And coming off of that, we have two muscles called the iliopsoas muscles. So the one that's attached to the ilium, this one here is called the iliacus. Right, this is the iliacus. The skinnier one that runs on the medial side is the psoas major. Okay, so the iliacus and the psoas major make up the iliopsoas muscles. Now moving down into the quadricep muscles, the one right in the center is called the rectus femoris. This is the rectus femoris muscle. The one on the lateral side, and the way I know this is the lateral side is if I back up, I can look down at the toes. You know, the pinky toe is going to be on the lateral side, or you could look up at the hip and see the hip, that coxal bone is on the lateral side. So this is called the vastus lateralis on the lateral side. And then you have the vastus medialis on the medial side, okay? This long skinny muscle that runs across the top is actually the longest muscle in the body. This is the sartorius muscle. Sartorius muscle, okay? And then down on the bottom, there's one here on the front I want you to be familiar with. That is the tibialis anterior. It runs on the anterior surface of the tibia, okay? Tibialis anterior. All right, so looking at the back of the leg, we have the gluteus maximus, it's a large muscle here. And then we have the gluteus medius up above it and a little deep to it, okay? Gluteus maximus, gluteus medius. Then moving down into the hamstrings muscles, we have the biceps femoris here on the lateral side. We have the semitendinosus here on the medial side, and running underneath the semitendinosus, and part of it is on the medial side of the semitendinosus, we have the semimembranosus. All right, so running kind of underneath the semitendinosus, we have the semimembranosus. All right. Then moving down into the bottom half of the leg, we have the gastrocnemius muscle, which is the calf. And we have the soleus muscle running down the back of the leg. So gastrocnemius and soleus running on the lateral aspect of the posterior surface of the leg. All right, so you'll look over those leg muscles and let me know if you have any questions about those.